Hey, welcome to Octane Garage
Hey, you know what? This is where we bring you detailing tips.
and other automotive goodness.
That's right. And today we're doing a quick tip.
Quick tip.
Look what we got. Some invisible glass products. Stoner, right?
Yeah, great products.
Yep, we got a reach and clean tool with some, spray visible glass cleaner. So really just wanted to share how quickly and easily you can clean your glass. That's hard to reach.
Yeah.
Look, where'd my face go?
He's gone. Brandon, where are you?
It's like an iron.
It is.
Okay, now I'm being dumb. All right, we're gonna switch this around here and let
Oops,
Ryan
I'm
show
shaking.
you guys how to go ahead and reach and clean, right?
So, quick tip. Here we go. So here we are. And this is the quick tip right here. This invisible glass clean and reach. They come in, there's other brands, but we really like this triangular shape. I've seen rectangular shaped ones, but I really like this. It has like this, got this nice tip right here that gets down in the corners. They're really hard to reach.
It's hard to reach in those, I agree.
Alrighty, so
Put it in action.
Quick tip. Exactly. So let me get the glass cleaner fired up here.
All right, we'll get in here in the truck with Ryan here. Oh, now we need that light again. Now I can see.
All right,
All right.
so this is the beautiful part. I can barely reach down in here, but check that out, guys. Right along that edge. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. Coming up, coming up, coming up. Across. And it squeaks and everything.
That's a nice plastic, you know.
But anyways, check this out, though. I can get all the way down here. That's what I'm trying to show you guys right here. And along this edge, very, very easy.
Yeah, and then show that corner, like get tight in that.
So yeah, check this out. It literally fits up into the corner of the glass.
Check that out.
Exactly. You got it. You got it. So
Good stuff.
again, save yourself a ton of time. Cleaning glass is no fun, but this actually makes it kind of fun. So that's a quick tip from Octane Garage.
There you go. Oh, hey Ryan, thanks for cleaning my windshield.
Yeah, I'm only cleaning half of it.
There's I was gonna say there's another half over there.
So the driver's side is still pretty smeary.
That's dumb. No.
So please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, check out our merch. And hey guys, real quick. I like the quick tip, really quick.
Yeah.
If you have any quick tip ideas that you want us to share to our awesome Octane Garage community, let us know down in the comments.
Do it, please.
We'll see you in the next video.
Later, guys.
Bye.